My name is Gunraj. I am from CSC Department Section A, and I am here to present my TikTok. And my title name is The Green Language Expected System. The Green Language Expected System. What is the green language? It is a symbolic archaic language designed to conceal deeper truth and the unlimited function as an axionate employed system that protects scared knowledge which systemically baking streaks towards ethnic. The ethnic functional semics writes the simple perfect example employing double meaning and script filling the guide genuine streaks behind the literacy towards the singing understanding each phrase operates on multi-levels stimulously surface meaning for casual reading proudly revelating for the intention. The green language system of expectations is three types. One, knowledge protective, filtration communicative. First one, knowledge. Knowledge is also known as those who recognize those the symbolic expectations enable with ordinary language. The system achieve obviously literally meaning to prevent misunderstanding of or catalytic misuse by the operatic. Second one, protective filterization acts as an intelligence filter or expectation holder in multiplex communication allows seeks to pass through layer of meaning which protecting dangerous knowledge from those lack wisdom or to wield it responsibly. Third one, communication program language handle expectations case to maintain operation flow both systems interaction irregular conditions and route them through special handling mechanism. Expectation handling in program a prime. To understand green language system fully, we must full compared how modern program language manage expectation condition, expectation handling, representation, one of computer science most agile solution to meaning complex and expectation status during program existing coexisting mechanisms. Expectation signal unusually or error conditions arise during program execution rather than allowing the system to crash. Expectation mechanism provides structured pathway for handling abnormal situation gracefully. The fundamental cycle operates through three stages. One, rise, handle. First one, rise, then the expectation conditions as occurred, catch, handle, intercept, and process the expecting protectively, resume or treatment, continue execution of half graceful language. Common loops offer condition system that powerfully rate C++ provides structure expect holding with type like Java enforce check expectations complete time. Python combines explicitly with flexibility through the try expect blocks notable Python stop interaction expectation illusion how expects extend behind errors it controls literally flow dominating that expectations are fundamental control mechanism or merely error signals. The green language expecting system constructional algon the profound first one, animal detection. Both systems recognize when condition deviated from normal option or expected patterns. Second one, signal and response. Green language symbols through a metabolic vanilla program. Through it is a real expectation signal. 3. Interaction and handling. The interaction engine mirrors that catches books, inspiration, and processing of expectations. Fourth one, transits. Both we need exit beyond ordinary flow into specialized understanding of process. This analysis provides markable remuneration just as a program expecting menu system stages to prevent system failure. Green language management hiding meaning to prevent conversation or picture meaning. Both filters information based on preparation and capability. Both protect system intelligence whether computation or spiritual, enable or handling complexity. Modern AI language models learning expectations. Artificial intelligence reveals something remarkable. Large language modified distance genuine capable for learning expectations to rules. This capability suggests to the exception handling may be fundamental to how intelligent system, whether human or artificial intelligence, actual process and understanding language. The English passive voice expectations problem. Pattern recognition models analyze waste during to identify normal synthetic patterns and where expectations occurs. Expectations mapping building internal representative of rule and boundaries and condition application constraints. Dynamic application apply rules flexibility recognize context conditions that prints or provides specific interaction. In AI defaultation, Ferming's the most recognized real world application of expectation handling in natural language process emergence through a green language framework which address one of intelligence instance more mostly precision challenge the toxic languages with presenting meaning. How green language works. Core functions delete toxic language patterns, generates exploratory analyzation, products non-toxic parametrics, identify transfer boundaries, expectations regarding it. Concerning green language, identify non-declaration case, such situations where meaning cannot be preserved into toxic. This is a symbolic expectation system managed language transformed boundaries with fallible intelligence rather that forcing all topics languages through a decomposition algorithm regarding of conjunction. Green language operates like a well-designed expectation handler. This demonstrating how expectation handle concept apply in real world NPL task. Solving problems that regard algorithm approaches cannot be addressed. Visualizing the green language exporting system from mystical syllabus to coding logic, managing expect and domains. On the left century old athletic monstration speak in rider and the symbol protecting pay found knowledge. Especially on the right, conversation coding, structure, process, modernization, integration, expectation, machines between them flows the continuous river of human and knowledge seeking that meaning expectations, whether mystical or algorithm expectations, a fundamental pattern for preserving meaningful prevent both systems ask the same essential question: how do we communicate complex truth to those prepared to understand them, whistling protecting those not yet ready for misunderstanding? Why green? Why the green language expectation system matters today? Communication. It is in communication, AI system design, inspiration, interpretive. In communication, farm framework for understanding layer communication in age where signal measured the reach audience that radically difference preparation levels and capability. AI system design inspires a new approaches to design artificial intelligence system that handle expectations gratefully boundaries and limitations rather the forcing unformally. Modern AI system encourages you to the green language fundamental rise multi-layered inspiration language, whether mystically machine generated or human created or regeneration, reductive signal meaning. Interdisciplinary human and computer science, encouraging both fields through cross pollination of aesthetic windows and completing method. In modern AI, increasingly mirror the green language fundamental in the height that intelligence process recording and handling specific cases with care and understanding the truth of one side benching surface intelligence. As we develop more artificial intelligence, we would do well to remember this ancient window. Conclusion: embrace expecting at this gateway deeper understanding. The green language expecting system example of a universal principle operating across dominating separated by countries is united by fundamental truth. Expectations are not failure or abandoned; they are gateway to deep understanding. As ancient windows, astronomic radiation recognized that hidden knowledge inquiries protection channels of a transmission developing symbiotic expectation system to glide its communicational echo. Modern program diverged independently that managing expectation cases provides essential to system intelligence and sporical problem. AI imputation. Uh, the communication artificial intelligence domination that expectations handling representation a core container capacity fundamental to how intelligent system learn as a reason. Future synthetics. By studying this conservation principle, we unlock a new potential languages, understanding technologies, design, and human conjugate. The journey of the faculty that GPT-2 intelligence revolution hidden at event of a human knowledge and artificial contingency expectations faculty as transformative elements, the science boundaries that protect intelligent and most cruelty, they invite us to transition ordinary understanding. Let us continuously exploring non as an error to explanation, but as a key of transformation. I am doing so. We are honor both achieving windows and cutting edge comprehension science, recognizing them as a complementary expectations of a human's instinct quest to understand and protect equating knowledge itself. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.